In this video, we're going to work with a pyramid. And let's see, we've got to find the volume and surface area. The base is a triangle with each side measuring 8 centimeters. So the bottom is this triangle with each side measuring 8 centimeters. And the height is 7.2. So connect all this. The height is, so the height is going to come straight down to the base and meet this at a 90, and that's 7.2. And the slant height is 5. So that means on any of these outside triangles, I'll pick this one here, coming down and hitting the base, the bottom of that outside triangle at a 90, and that is 5 centimeters. And we're supposed to find the volume and surface area. We know the formula, at least for the volume, 1/3 area of the base times the height. So maybe we should go for that first. That bottom triangle, so the big B, area of the base, is a triangle that has all sides the same. We have two formulas for the area of a triangle. One is 1/2 times the base times the height. We know the base is 8, doesn't matter really what side we're picking, but we have no idea what the height is of that bottom triangle. So I think I'm going to go for the area with this big long formula where we take the perimeter. So we have to find S, and S is the perimeter, 8 plus 8 plus 8, divided by 2. So on my calculator, I'm working out 8 plus 8 plus 8. Well, I already know that's 24, divided by 2 is 12. And this big long formula says that the area is square root the S number times 12. So the S number minus one of the sides, S number minus another side, S number minus the other side. So on my calculator, I'm working out 12 times 4 times 4 times 4. And I'm going to take the square root of that. So I'm getting 768, square root of 768, and I'm getting 27.7. Now that's area of the bottom triangle, and area is in square centimeters. Okay, for the volume of this pyramid, it's 1/3 area of the base times the height, and the height it was given in the question, and it's 7.2. So on my calculator, 1/3 times 27.7 times 7.2, and I'm getting 66.48, and that is in, let's see, it's a volume, so that would be cubic centimeters. Okay, let's go for surface area. I already have the area of one of the triangles, that's the bottom triangle, and we know that is 27.7. And on these side triangles, the upright ones, we know that the bottoms of those triangles are 8s, and we know the slant height, and you know all these triangles are the same, right? They all have a bottom of 8, and they all have a slant height of 5. So I think I could find the area of each one of those triangles using the shorthand form of the area of a triangle. So shorthand form of the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. And each side triangle has, so each side triangle, the area is going to be 1/2 times the base, which is 8, times the height, which is 5. So just to recap, I'm looking at one of these side triangles. Here's the base, and here's the height, and they're all the same. So each triangle has an area of 1/2 times 8, so that's 4 times 5 is 20 square centimeters. So to find the total surface area, I need to add up the areas of all these triangles. So I have 3 upright triangles, and they each have an area of 20, so 3 20s, plus the area of the bottom triangle, which was 27.7. We already figured that out. So 3 times 20 is 60, plus 27.7, and I'm getting 87.7. And this is surface area. So area is in square centimeters.